I'm John Horton. I've been a technician here for over 22 years. I'm happy to say I got down here at Nash Powersports now with a good group, a good family group. Nash has been around forever. Really excited to be a part of their group. Got a bunch of good technicians here to really give some good maintenance to the vehicles coming in, but we're always finding vehicles that need a lot more than just maintenance. So we're always doing motors and other teardowns. So definitely a very big shop, big operation. Excited to be a part of the whole group. If there's something that we can't figure out, there's going to be a problem. So we try our best to resource everything we can and solve problems for customers and get them back out there on the road. The big things we work on here, as we all know, are the side-by-sides, our cars for the dirt. So it's one of the big things coming up. Our department over there on the side, we really work hard on modifying it and customizing it just to the customers' wants and needs and colors and everything you can think of, we'll add it on. A good group of guys over there are really working hard to make quality custom units. We also work on dirt bikes, street bikes. We have all kinds of different manufacturers that we're working on. We even work on some things that aren't manufactured, but we are familiar with the process of the motors and stuff. So we try to help out any customer that comes in the door. But we focus on a lot of Honda, Can-Am, Sea-Doo, Yamaha, Kawasaki, you name it, we pretty much work on it, KTMs. So the list goes on, but we're always learning every day on all the new vehicles, and definitely it's a fun place to work, but we also get gratitude just helping out customers getting their units back on the road.